In this video, I'm going to show you a free and simple method to find low competition trends and evergreen niches on Redbubble. So the tool we're going to be using for this today is PODcs, and PODcs has got a completely free Redbubble research section, so just sign up via the link in the description to try this out, and once you're logged in you will see this home screen. And to get started, just head over to the sidebar on the left, click on Redbubble tool, and then Redbubble Trends, which is what we're going to be using today. And in here, you're going to see trending search phrases right now on Redbubble, and this gets updated on a daily basis. And if we head back to the top, the table up here has a section for products. And what we can do is we can click these little arrows right here to sort the entire results to, first of all, the most products, which we don't want. But if we click this again, then it's going to start off with the lowest results in products. So the competition is very, very low in these search phrases. Now, a lot of them are going to be sort of branded stuff or copyright infringement, which is quite a big thing on Redbubble. So you can't just sell any of these. So this is essentially where the task lies, is filtering through them, scrolling through and looking for search phrases that seem like they're not trademarked or related to a big brand or movie. And if you want to quickly check, you can head over to this button right here and you get the first 10 best-selling results on Redbubble shown to you as a preview. And looking at this right now, it does look like it's ripping off something because all of these designs are very similar and there are all these photographs, so that's one I would stay away from. But the next one right here, Growing a Wee Little One, doesn't sound like a brand. And if we scroll over to the right hand side and get these previews, then as you can see, this has to do with St. Patrick's Day. You can tell that by the clover graphics and a lot of the green t-shirts. So this could actually be a trend that is really low competition because 19 search results, and it also doesn't appear to have any copyright or intellectual property infringement in these designs. Now, if you want to investigate this further, you can also click right here for more information, and that is going to bring up even more statistics that PODcs has about this specific niche. So you're going to see related tags right here accompanied by their popularity. So clover is the most popular tag in terms of this search phrase, then St. Patrick's Day, green, little, shamrock, and you can quickly copy these keywords by, for example, clicking copy the top 15, and then you can use them in your listing if you wanted to save some time. And we also see the competing shops right here. There is 12 of them, and you get the shop names if you want to do some competitive research. You see the average price of the products, so if you wanted to sort of get slightly below the price of your competition, then you could use this table as a guide, and the popular colors as well. So we've mainly got black background colors in terms of the t-shirts and not too many greens, which is surprising for a St. Patrick's Day trend or niche, which means that you can probably upload some designs to green t-shirts and stand out in this trend. And heading back to the trends section, here we can see some more results. Going to the second page, we've got In a World Full of Roses be a shamrock. That also sounds St. Patrick's Day related, and as you can see right here, it is by the preview. Very low competition, only 23 results, so it's only taken like 5 minutes to find 2 really good niches. Can I Be Excused? What's that? So if we hover over it, we can see SpongeBob right here. So that's one that appears to not be a trademark infringement, but it must be a quote from SpongeBob. And if you get to the bottom of a page and you haven't found anything new, just head right here onto the next one. And this is essentially the process you have to go through. Just try and find niches that are safe, that are low competition, that you can enter and write them down, enter them one after one. Baking is chemistry, you can eat. That is one that's a bit more of an evergreen niche. It might be trending right now, but this is the sort of niche, if we click onto this button right here to open it up on Redbubble, this is the sort of niche that could sell all year round because it's an evergreen phrase. It targets people who like baking. It's quite funny. So just another use of the Redbubble Trends tool right there in PODcs is finding really low competition evergreen niches that make it easy for you to get sales all year around. If you really like free stuff, then make sure to check out this video next, where I share 14 free print-on-demand resources and tools with you that will help you save time and get more sales.